Hey everybody, this is Beth at PTSD Penguin. Welcome back. Let's talk about a scenario that became more and more possible in today's world. What happens when your phone or the internet go down? And let's make it even more interesting. Your car breaks down and your mechanic can't figure it out because their systems are offline. Sounds like fun, right? No? Okay, let's fix that. So step one, be prepared. Act like it's 1995 and have a notepad or sticky notes around so you can take notes, because you're not going to be able to have a YouTube tutorial or even text messages. What do we have? We have paper, actual paper, and maybe a few brains full of common sense. Here's what you can do now so you're not stuck in a future tech panic. Now, first of all, we have an address book. Write down all the phone numbers you have for all of your relatives and friends so you can get a hold of them in case your phone goes down. Do you know your mom's number or your son's number, your daughter's number, best friend's number? Even your, somebody like an emergency number if your phone dies. These numbers might as well be on Mars. Write them down in an address book or even on a sticky note in your wallet. And maps. Does anybody have a map? I have 3 of them. I went to the store and bought some recently. They still do exist. Dollar stores have them. AAA have them. They sell them cheap, or even you can print out the directions to key places before the power goes out on your computer. Your favorite mechanic who doesn't laugh when you check your engine light comes on. And yes, so that way they also can check all that as well. Next thing, build a basic car repair kit. Now let's talk cars. Imagine your car stalls and your mechanic says, sorry, I can't run a diagnostic on it because the internet's down. This is where you became the hero. First, pack the jumper cables, a tire repair kit, duct tape, and some basic wrenches. YouTube might not be available, but a good old car manual be your best friend. You don't need to be a full-on mechanic. Just knowing how to check the oil or tighten a loose battery connection can get you back on the road. With my car, the only way you can check the oil is turning the car on and checking it that way. So hopefully that won't go out in case of an emergency. Now, also, cash is king. When the internet goes down, so do car readers. That's right, no Apple Pay, no Venmo, no Zelle, swiping your plastic. Keep some cash in the small bills tucked away. You'll be the MVP that you can pay for gas, food, or even bribing your neighbors to help you lend a hand. Communication alternatives. Most of us rely on our smartphones like an extra limb. When the limb gets cut off, we're helpless. A basic prepaid flip phone, which I have here, or a communication like a ham radio, which I have here as well. These things will help you get a hold of long distance communications, even walkie-talkies. So no need to cut your lifeline. No, you don't need a license for the ham radio for the simpler operations. Plus, it's kind of fun to pretend you're in an action movie. Community connections. Here's the secret sauce. Your neighbors, remember them, the people around your house? The people who live to the right next door, build relationships now. Because if everything goes dark, they are your lifeline. Set up a buddy system or create a community plan as everyone knows how to help each other in a pinch. Now Beth sits back, relaxes, because she knows everything that she needs to do is prepare. The truth is, we've gotten really dependent on technology, and that's okay. But we can't forget how to function without it. Preparing for life without the internet or phones doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just take it one step at a time. Now, I'm from the olden days, so I still know how to read a map. Younger people probably don't know how to read maps. So you might have to have a tutorial with them showing them how to read a map, or even using a flip phone, because there is no internet on some flip phones that are prepaid. And also a flashlight. Always have a flashlight. I have them all over my house. I have one in the car. I have one in my purse. I always have a flashlight. Make sure If they're the chargeable ones, make sure they're charged. If they're battery operated, always have batteries around. Again, in case we go off the grid, make sure you're prepared. Make sure everything is going well for you. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and don't forget to laugh when life throws you the curveball. Thanks for watching PTSD Penguin, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the tips in the comments. See you next time. Again, this is Beth at PTSD Penguin. See you later.
Tell me it's not the end. Your life makes no sense.